This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Melissa Hunter. Traditional family-oriented neighborhood. Open floor plan with inviting foyer that flows into the living room with cathedral ceilings. This home has 4-bedroom 2.5 bathrooms with first-floor master bedroom, office area. Loft bonus room can serve as a dining room, den, man cave, or 5th bedroom. This home has the largest floor plan in the subdivision. New French doors just installed, leading to the backyard. New HVAC system installed 2019-2020. Seller will give flooring allowance with a full price offer of $3,000. For more information, review the details below or contact Melissa Hunter at 757-672-9502.